the CHUM bucket. There's just something special about a nice tropical cocktail at the end of a long work day. It gets worse. My dog of 14 years passed away yesterday. In his honor, I'm making the CHUM bucket. Starts pretty simply with a little ice in our blend tech, cranberry juice, Icelandic vodka, Brennivin, Don Q151, cod liver with lemon, also known as Porskalifer, a little durian and malort ice cream with spontaneous combustion hot sauce mixed with crushed red pepper and Maldon flaky salt. I almost forgot the worst ingredient of them all. Store-bought grenadine. But the best part of any bev is the snock. That one's good and dissolved. I think it made it. I'm gonna have to abort on the surstrumming. It's turned into literal diarrhea. Let's go ahead and continue on. So of course we're starting with the best. Don Q 151 is my absolute favorite high test rum. Rika from Iceland. Brennivin. You might have seen this from when I had Hakarl Shark in a previous episode. We'll put a shot of that in there. In this case. And this is some of the best tin fish you can find. This might convert you. It is so delicious. The best. Buy some. It's worth it. It's going in a cocktail. Sharp-eyed viewers might recognize this durian and malort ice cream from episode 1. It's a really great experience if you can get past the sewer smell. Now it's time for the age-old question.
Will it blend? That is the question.
Frappe. More red. Oh no! Oh no! We have a Chernobyl level event.
At long last we have arrived. 123.45. Explosion.
Honey, I need a towel! Oh God, it's going everywhere! No! No! That was way more dramatic than it needed to be. Sorry. My kitchen's gonna smell like gas for years. The greatest thing about Hakarl is that it is fermented for months, and the shark doesn't have a urinary tract. It just pisses through its skin. So it just tastes like literal piss. Some Limburger cheese, which I love it. A little chunk of habanero pepper for color. A balut. This one came from Regalis Foods. That is a fertilized egg that's developed into an embryo, and oftentimes will have bits of cartilage and feather inside. It has that sort of alien egg from the movie Alien feel about it. You know, it's like a little bit H.R. Giger sensation. And this is cuisine at the edge of the universe. You can see how it's fertilized and it has that venation where the embryo is just starting to form. Yeah, that is a fascinating food stuff. God bless the first person that found that you could eat these. Balut, everyone. There we go, right next to the habanero. Olives. Vintage 2001 spontaneous combustion hot sauce from the collection of James Francis Goggins. That's going to be combined with crushed red pepper and flaky salt. Absolutely blazing hot sauce. Take some grenadine. All right. Oh yes, it's beautiful. The CHUM bucket. Down the hatch. Hard work week. Yeah. chunky. It's spicy too. Why did I do this to myself? I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna finish this fucker. One take. One take. Oh, it has to be one take. I don't have any more ingredients. Yeah, hold that one. Let's try some of the garnish. Yeah. Garnish. Okay. Here we go. Get over your ice. Your work is done. Oh God, it's everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Well, now I have lots and lots of ice on my leg. Icy leg. The new dance waves. Do the icy leg. All right. One more olive and then back into the brink. Oh, the blute's up next. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Yeah, there's straw. All right, here we go.
Please.
Okay. That's empty. Empty enough for government work. Now, time for the snack. Yummy, yummy. Oh my God, it's delicious. It's just like eggs with a little bit of liver flavor to it. So good. Habanero, nice and spicy. Limburger cheese. I love me a spicy cheese. A coral shark. Okay, a coral shark. A coral shark. Down the hatch. You will not defeat me, coral shark. You will not defeat me, coral shark. You will not defeat me, coral shark. You will not defeat me, coral. You will not defeat me, coral shark. I still stand by that a coral shark is a little bit worse than surströmmings. And I plan to get another can of surströmmings from the same supplier. Oh God, I need some Brenevins. That was the CHUM bucket. Good night.